When looking into digital banking tools, accessibility across different mobile platforms is one of the most important factors for users who want to manage their money on the go. If you are wondering whether the Blupeak mobile banking application is available for both major smartphone operating systems, the short answer is yes. Blupeak Credit Union provides fully optimized mobile applications for both Android and iPhone devices. For Android users, the official Blupeak mobile app can be downloaded directly from the Google Play Store. It is compatible with a wide range of Android smartphones and even offers integration with Wear OS devices. This allows members to check their account balances in real time, view transaction histories, transfer funds between accounts, pay monthly bills, and locate surcharge-free ATMs or branch locations right from their handheld devices. Additionally, the Android application supports mobile check deposit features, letting you snap a picture of a physical check to deposit it straight into your account without needing to visit a physical branch. For Apple users, the application is similarly accessible. You can find the Blupeak mobile app on the Apple App Store, optimized specifically for iPhone and iPad devices running modern versions of iOS. The iOS version includes security features such as Face ID and Touch ID support, allowing for fast and secure logins. iPhone users can also take full advantage of digital wallet integrations, such as Apple Pay, by linking their Blupeak debit or credit cards for secure, contactless purchases. Having native applications available on both platforms ensures that you can access your personal finances seamlessly, regardless of whether you prefer using an Android device or an iPhone. Both versions are provided free of charge by the institution, though standard mobile carrier data rates may apply depending on your service provider. To get started, you simply need to search for the official Blupeak application on your device's respective app marketplace, download it, and log in using your digital banking credentials. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.